In today's episode, I'm going to share with you my little secret to avoid using teleprompter. A teleprompter is a screen with a mirror that we can put in front of the camera so that it enables us to read almost word by word, if we want, everything we have to say to the camera. I know they use it on TV shows, etc. But I do not really like, I like that technique as well. I use both. And I'm going to get deeper today in my perfect technique to get started with YouTube without buying an expensive teleprompter and just to keep things very simple. Let's dive into that.
Marketing Automation Ninja.
Hello everyone. So, as you might know, I've been producing videos for years, and the prompter things is something that I went through. I bought a prompter like 3 years ago. Before that, I was using my iPad behind my camera to be able to read my notes, and more recently, like 6 months ago, when I started to publish on daily basis, I came up to an even easier technique because some of you might want to read word by words, which can be something you can do with prompter, or there is even teleprompter apps on phone that can allow you to do so. But the problem is the speed of the teleprompter. It's hard to get synchronized, and it's really good for sales pitch, as example. But if you want to create some YouTube videos or some content on a regular basis, I really recommend you to keep it very simple. Not writing things word by word, but just bullet point by bullet point of all the topics that you want to cover, and then just go through all that bullet points, and that's going to be enough. And the technique that I do recommend is to use, look at this, if you are on YouTube, is to use a phone, basically your phone, and to use some post-it stick next to the camera. So if you're on a Facebook, on a podcast to listen, and you listen that on podcast, basically I've put a post-it upside down or above the camera so that we can list some bullet points. And then I've put another bullet list on another post-it below the camera so that I can read all that bullet points and go through my entire content. And that's the best prompter you can come up with just to get started. Because it's easy, you can get outside, you can shoot videos whenever you feel. If you are like, sometimes I do my jogging or I do some sports and I think about something and I say, oh yeah, that would be great to just shoot a video about that, and just boom. If I have some post-its in my pocket, I shoot the video. Otherwise, I just shoot the video without post-its. But using these techniques will definitely help you to get started, to do not forget all the topics that you had in mind. And yeah, it will help you with not forgetting what you have to say, to be sure that you cover your entire topic. So that's the best prompter. I recommend you to buy the cheaper and that you can find out there as well. And that's really effective, especially if you shoot with a mobile phone. I wish you a great day. Try it on and let me know what you think. Until then, take care, and let's shoot as much video as you can, or audio content as you can. Bye for now.
Marketing Automation Ninja.